Hi everyone, welcome to Mama's Craft. Today we'll learn how to create a lion mask. I wanted to make it with metallic paper cardboard to make the mask look elegant. We are going to download and print the templates to create it. So you have the link in the description and in the comments. There you can choose the mask size and know how to cut and fold the pieces. That part is very quick and easy. For pieces 4, 5, 11, and 13, we are going to use black cardboard. For piece 14, white cardboard. And for the other pieces, you can use gold-colored cardboard. The lion's main pieces are on the second and third page of the templates in case you want to use a different color for that part. Here we already have the pieces ready to create the mask. The first parts that we'll use will be the pieces with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We'll join the flaps that each one has and join piece 2 with piece 3. Then we'll add glue on the piece 1 flaps and glue it to join these 3 pieces. Pieces 4 and 5 are the lion ears. So we'll shape them and then glue piece 4 on the right side and piece 5 on the left side. Before adding these following 2 pieces, we'll first join the piece 6 flaps, and then we'll merge it with piece 7 to form a single one. And now we'll add it on the right side of the mask. As you can notice, these other 2 parts are very similar to the previous ones. So we'll join them together and add them to the mask similarly. Subscribe so you don't miss out on future masks. With these 3 pieces, we are going to form a large part of the lion mask. First, we'll join the 2 flaps that piece 10 has and then add piece 11 in the middle to form the nose. Piece 12 is the lion fangs, so we'll put glue and join them. By adding this part to the mask, the eyes will be formed to be able to see when we use it. These will be the last 3 pieces. Piece 14 will be the lion's chin, so we'll shape it. Then we'll glue piece 13 and join it with piece 14. We'll add piece 15 and glue both sides of the mask to finish joining the part we just created. It seems that we already finished the mask, but we still need a detail. We're going to need 2 wool threads of approximately 30 centimeters. We'll make 2 holes on both sides of the mask with the tip of the scissors and add a thread on each side. To finish, we'll tie a knot in both. And now we have our lion mask ready. Remember that you can download any template from the channel without ads and support this content by joining Premium Mama's Craft. Thank you very much for watching the video.